Toothless.
How do I breathe? How do I breathe? It feels so different being here. I was so used to being next to you. Life for me is not the same when there's no one to turn to. I don't know why I let it go too far. Starting over, it's so hard. Seems like everywhere I try to go, I keep thinking